Yes, but now just I'm going to make this second video on ITF, inverse trigonometric function. One video I've already made. In that video I've explained you about the fundamentals and 7 or 8 problems I had done. Now I'm taking few more problems, different varieties of the problems. So I'm going to explain some important and little bit difficult problems. So now let us take the problems. Now you see, this is the second video of inverse trigonometric function. Now 7 or 8 problems I had already discussed. Now I'm taking this ninth one. This is what? Question number 9. Question number 9 is what? That is this is tan inverse that is 2x upon 1 minus x square, and question number 10 is what? That is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Now this is what? 10, you have to differentiate it. Tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So in place of x, which trigonometrical ratio should be substituted, so that when you are solving this entire expression, results should come in terms of 10. Why it should come in 10? Because you know this is what? Tan inverse, this is tan theta, that is equal to theta. So this is tan inverse, that is tan theta, tan inverse tan theta, that is equal to theta. So in place of x, you are supposed to substitute that trigonometrical ratio after solving which you should get this entire expression in terms of 10. Now for that you are supposed to remember all the formulae which you have done in class 11th. Now this is compound angle formula and multiple angle formula. So now you see, I'm just telling you form and substitutions which you are supposed to remember. So this is what? Forms and this is substitution. Forms and substitution. If the form is what? That is a square minus x square, then you are supposed to substitute x is equal to a sin theta or a times of cos theta. And now if it is a square plus x square, then you substitute in place of x. What is that? X is equal to a tan theta, or you can say a cot theta. And now if it is x square minus a square form, then you are going to substitute x is equal to a times of sec theta, or this is a times of cosec theta. And if the form is like this, under root a minus x upon a plus x, or under root, that is under root a plus x upon a minus x, then always substitute x is equal to a cos theta. तो ये कुछ फॉर्म्स हैं जो आपको याद रखने हैं, और कुछ फार्मूले आपने पढ़े होंगे. sin 2 theta is equal to twice sin theta cos theta, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and that is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. एक और फार्मूला है sin 2 theta is equal to twice tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus 10 cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, दिस इज ट्वाइस x अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. x के प्लेस पर कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो सब्स्टिट्यूट किया जाए? सो यू नो दिस इज व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग x इज इक्वल टू 10, twice tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and you know this twice tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, that is equal to tan theta. So we are going to substitute here. X is equal to how much? That is tan theta. Now putting x is equal to, that is what? Tan theta, and this implies that theta is equal to, that is tan inverse x. First you suppose this, let y is equal to this much. So what is this one? After this, that is y is equal to, that is tan inverse, this is 2 times of tan theta upon 1 minus of tan square theta. What I have done, in place of x, just I am substituting, that is tan theta, and you know the formula, 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, that is equal to tan 2 theta. So y is equal to, that is tan inverse, this is what, tan 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to how much? That is 2 theta. How it is 2 theta? You know, tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta, so tan inverse tan 2 theta, that will be equal to 2 theta. Now put the value of theta, and that is what? Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now this y is equal to 2 times of tan inverse x. So y is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, that is converted into y is equal to 2 times of tan inverse x. Now differentiating with respect to x, what we have, that is what? Dy over dx, that is 2 times of d over dx of, that is tan inverse x. You know differentiation of tan inverse x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and therefore dy over dx is equal to 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square. So finally it is what? Dy over dx, that is 2 upon 1 plus x square, and this will be the required result. Now this is cos inverse, this is 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. In place of x, which trigonometrical ratio should be substituted, so that when we are solving this entire expression, result should come in terms of cos. So you know one formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. तो इसको अगर cos में convert करना है, then we are going to substitute x is equal to how much? That is tan theta, because cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So here putting, let first you suppose this, let y is equal to this much. Now putting here, putting this x is equal to how much? That is tan theta. This implies that theta is equal to how much? That is tan inverse x. Now this will be converted into y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus of tan square theta upon 1 plus of, this is tan square theta. You know 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to how much? That is cos 2 theta. So y is equal to how much? Cos inverse, this is cos of 2 theta, and you know cos inverse cos x, that is equal, as tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta, वैसे cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta होगा. So this implies that y is equal to how much? 2 theta. Now put the value of theta from here. Theta is equal to how much? That is tan inverse x. So what is y? Y is equal to 2 times of tan inverse x. Now differentiating, इसको differentiate करेंगे, differentiating with respect to x, क्या आएगा? That is equal to dy over dx is equal to 2 times of d over dx of tan inverse x, and that is equal to 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square, and therefore dy over dx, that is 2 upon 1 plus x square, and this will be the required result. तो इसमें बेटा बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्या है कि you are supposed to remember the formulae of trigonometry which you have done in class 11th standard, and all the formulae of inverse trigonometric function which you have done in class 12th. And now there are few substitution, few forms and substitution, these you are supposed to remember. So forms is what? If it is x square, a square minus x square form, we are going to put x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. If it is the form is what? A square plus x square, then we are going to substitute x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. If it is x square minus a square form, then we are going to substitute, that is x is equal to a sec theta or a cosec theta, दोनों में से कोई एक. Now under root a minus x upon a plus x, या इसी का reciprocal under root a plus x upon a minus x, then we are going to substitute x is equal to a cos theta. Now कौन सा ऐसा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो है जो 1 को हमेशा कैंसिल कर सकता है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट? cos. Cos is the only trigonometrical ratio which can cancel 1, because इसके बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं. cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and that is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So let us take few more problems. ये फॉर्म्स आप ध्यान में रखिएगा इसको. जो आप फार्मूले बनाते हैं, जिस स्टेप वन के फार्मूले बनाते हैं उसमें आप फार्मूले जो बनाते हैं उसमें जो है फार्मूलों की जो लिस्ट बनाते हैं उसमें इन फार्मूलों को भी लिख लीजिएगा। डिफरेंशिएशन के जो फार्मूले बनाते हैं उसमें ये लिस्ट लिख लीजिएगा, वो आपके लिए आसान होगा। बार बार इसको यूज करेंगे एंड एक पोजीशन ऐसी आएगी कि आपके फार्मूले जो है आपके फिंगर टिप्स पर होंगे। सो नाउ let us take few more problems. That is what question number 10. Question number, this is what question number, this is 9, 8, 10. That is what question number 11 we can say. That is equal to d over dx of, this is cot inverse under root 1 plus x square minus x. And next one is what, that is sine inverse, this is x upon under root x square plus a square. This is question number 12. Now question number 13. Question number 13 is what, that is tan inverse under root a minus x upon a plus x. अब इसको पहले सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, वी विल ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिफरेंशिएट इट. इन ऑर्डर टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म वी आर सपोज्ड टू substitute in place of x some trigonometrical ratio. So first you suppose this is what, let y is equal to this much. What should be substituted in place of x so that when we are solving this entire expression the result should come in terms of cot, because here it is cot inverse. So you know this is what cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. तो इन्हीं में से आपको एक चूज करना है. यहाँ पर फार्मूला फॉर्म है, that is what a square plus x square वाला फॉर्म. दिस फॉर्म is what, that is a square plus x square, a के प्लेस पर 1 आ गया है. So this is what 1 plus x square. So what you are going to, अगर ये फॉर्म होता तो क्या पुट अप करते, x is equal to supposing a cot theta, a के प्लेस पर 1 पुट अप करेंगे तो x is equal to only cot theta. So what we are going to substitute here, putting x is equal to cot theta. Now putting cot भी पुट कर सकते हैं और tan भी पुट कर सकते हैं. Now putting here x is equal to, that is cot theta, and this implies that theta is equal to cot inverse x. Now from here y is equal to cot inverse under root 1 plus, this is cot square theta minus of cot theta. Now you are supposed to simplify it in terms of cot. तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है बेटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, वी कैन से इट इज cot इनवर्स 1 plus cot square theta, that is equal to cosec square theta, so that is equal to cosec theta and minus of cot theta. 1 plus cot square theta, that is equal to cosec square theta, तो ये हो जाएगा अंडर रूट cosec square theta and its square root is what, that is cosec theta. Now you simplify it, that is what cot inverse 1 upon sin theta minus of cos theta upon sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta and you know cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So this is equal to cot inverse, sin theta is LCM, so it is 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta and this is y. Now you just apply the half angle formula. Therefore y is equal to how much, that is cot inverse 1 minus 1 plus 2 times of sin square theta by 2 upon, this is 2 times of sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. यहाँ पर minus 1 से plus 1 क्या हो गया, that is going to be cancel out. 2 से 2 क्या होगा, that is cancel out. 1 power of sin is cancel out. So what you are getting, y is equal to cot inverse sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, that is equal to cot theta by 2. Now from here y is equal to not cot theta by 2, that is equal to tan theta by 2. Sin upon cos क्या होता है, that is tan. So now tan can be converted in terms of cot by using allied angle formula. By using allied angle formula, now this is what y is equal to, this is cot inverse and this tan theta by 2, that can be written as cot pi by 2 minus theta. You know cot pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to tan theta. So cot pi by 2 minus theta by 2, because angle is what, that is theta by 2. Cancel हो जाएगा cot inverse cot. So what you have, y is equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now put the value of theta from here. So this is what we can say, y is equal to, this is pi by 2 minus this is 1 by 2, and theta के place पर क्या आ जाएगा, that is cot inverse x. Now differentiating with respect to x, what we have, dy over dx is equal to d over dx of pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 d over dx of, this is cot inverse x. Differentiation of pi by 2, that is constant, pi by 2 constant होता है, इसका differentiation क्या होगा, that will be equal to 0 minus this is 1 by 2. What is differentiation of cot inverse x? So that is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, minus minus is going to be plus 1 upon 2 times of 1 plus x square, and this is the value of dy over dx, and this is the required result. Now I am taking this problem. This is what, let this problem, that is what, let y is equal to x upon, this is y is equal to sine inverse x upon under root x square plus a square. इसमें क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, in place of x what should be substituted, so that whenever we are solving this expression we should get the result in terms of sine. Now you know this is what the forms hota hai, that is what a square plus x square, then we are going to substitute x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. दोनों में से कोई भी एक पुट कर सकते हैं. Now this is what sin inverse x upon under root x square plus a square. So putting here x is equal to a times of tan theta, and this implies that tan theta is equal to x upon a, and this implies theta is equal to tan inverse x upon a. Now from here y is equal to, that is sine inverse, this is what, a times of tan theta upon, this is under root a square, this is tan square theta and plus of a square. इसको simplify करिए तो कितना आएगा, y is equal to how much, sin inverse a times of tan theta upon. Now taking a square common, so what will be left, tan square theta plus 1, and tan square theta plus 1, that is equal to sec square theta. So inside the square root, that is what, a square times of sec square theta. Now this y is equal to how much, that is sine inverse a times of tan theta upon, that is what, a times of sec theta. a से a cancel हो जाएगा, y is equal to sine inverse tan theta, you can write sine theta upon cos theta, and 1 upon sec theta, that is equal to cos theta. ये cancel हो गया. Now y is equal to how much, sine inverse sine theta. Y is equal to how much, that is sine inverse sine theta. So we can say y is equal to theta. Y is equal to theta हो गया, तो theta की वैल्यू यहाँ से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, क्या आएगा, y is equal to, that is what, tan inverse x upon a. After simplifying you are getting this one, y is equal to tan inverse x upon a. Sine inverse, this is what, sine inverse x upon under root x square plus a square. When you are substituting x is equal to a tan theta, and after simplification finally you are getting y is equal to tan inverse x upon a. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, what we have, dy over dx, that is d over dx of tan inverse x upon a. What will be the differentiation of tan inverse x upon a? That is 1 upon 1 plus x square upon a square, and differentiation of x upon a, that is equal to 1 upon a by chain rule. Now this is dy over dx, and finally dy over dx taking a square LCM, and that will go in numerator. So it is what, a square upon a square plus x square into 1 upon a, power of 1 power of a is cancelled out, and dy over dx is equal to a upon a square plus x square. So this is the final result. चलिए एक प्रॉब्लम सब 13th वाला लेते हैं. So I'm going to rough all these things. Question number 13. Question number 13. Now let y is equal to, that is 10 inverse, y is equal to 10 inverse under root a minus x, that is upon a plus x. Now इस वाले फॉर्म्स में हमने आपको बताया था, you are supposed to substitute x is equal to a cos theta, whether it is form of under root a minus x upon a plus x, or you can say under root a plus x upon a minus x. In both the situations you are supposed to substitute x is equal to a times of cos theta. Why? Because cos theta is the only trigonometrical ratio which can cancel 1 easily. Now putting x is equal to a times of cos theta, this implies that cos theta is equal to x upon a, and this implies that theta is equal to cos inverse x upon a. Now from here y is equal to how much? That is 10 inverse under root, that is a minus a times of cos theta, a plus a times of cos theta. Now this is y is equal to how much? That is what we can say 10 inverse. A is common in numerator, a is common in denominator, so that will be cancelled out. So it will be left under root 1 minus of cos theta upon 1 plus of cos theta. Now you see this is y is equal to 10 inverse. Now here our aim should be to cancel 1. So there are different forms, the formula for this cos theta, there are different forms. So only that formula we are going to apply, which is going to cancel 1. So this is under root 1 minus 2 times of sine square theta by 2 upon this is 1 plus 2 times of cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Now therefore y is equal to how much? That is 10 inverse under root, this is 1 minus 1 plus 2 times of sine square theta by 2, minus 1 is cancelled out by plus 1, so this is 2 times of cos square theta by 2. Minus 1 is cancelling plus 1, now 2 is cancelled out by 2, so what you will have, y is equal to how much? That is 10 inverse under root sine square theta by 2 upon cos square theta by 2, that is equal to 10 square theta by 2. So this you can write what 10 square theta by 2, square root of 10 square theta by 2, that is what 10 theta by 2. Therefore y is equal to 10 inverse, that is what 10 theta by 2, and 10 inverse 10 they are going to be cancelled out. So what is y? Y is equal to how much? Theta by 2. Now put the value of theta. Theta is equal to how much? That is cos inverse x upon a, and therefore y is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x upon a. Now differentiating with respect to x, इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर दीजिए तो क्या आएगा? That is equal to what? dy over dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 into d over dx of cos inverse x upon a. अब cos inverse x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है बेटा? दैट इज minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now in place of x it is what? X upon a, and therefore dy over dx is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square upon a square, and what is differentiation of x upon a? That is 1 upon a. Now here simplify it, that is what? dy over dx, that is minus 1 by 2 1 upon under root a square minus x square upon a square calcium क्या होगा? That will be a and it will go in numerator, so that is what? A, and this is 1 upon a, ये दोनों cancel हो गए, and therefore dy over dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 times of under root a square minus x square, and this will be the result. Now let us take few more problems. बहुत कंसंट्रेट होकर के देखिएगा, इसको अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश करिएगा. but formulae अगर आपको if you can remember the formulae which you have done in class 11th standard, so I think there should not be any problem to understand these questions, because those formulae are going to play a vital role to make you understand. Now this is what next question 13. After that I am taking this is 14. Question number 14. This is what, let y is equal to tan inverse, this is 4 under root x upon 1 minus 4x. Question number 15. That is what, let y is equal to, that is tan inverse, that is 5x upon 1 minus 6x square. And question number, this is what 15, this is 16. Question number 16. Let y is equal to, that is sine inverse 2 to the power x plus 1, that is 1 upon 4 to the power x. देखिए ये फार्मूले हैं. Now this is what, y is equal to tan inverse 4 under root x upon 1 minus 4x. What should be substituted in place of x so that when we are solving it, result should come in terms of tan. Now see here, that is what, this is y, इसको थोड़ा सा change करो, that is what, y is equal to, that is tan inverse, this can be written as 2 into, and this is what, 2 under root x upon, this is 1 minus 2 under root x to whole square. अब यही वही वाला फार्मूला बन गया. This is 2x upon 1 minus x square. Here in place of x it is 2 under root x. So what we are going to substitute here, putting this is what, 2 under root x is equal to how much, that is tan theta. Why tan theta? Because 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, that is equal to tan 2 theta. और इस entire expressions को भी है supposed to convert in terms of tan only. Now this implies that this is what, theta is equal to tan inverse, this is 2 under root x. Now from here, this is what, y is equal to how much, that is tan inverse, this is twice tan theta upon, this is 1 minus of tan square theta. Now y is equal to how much, that is tan inverse, and it is equal to tan 2 theta, and tan inverse tan 2 theta, that is cancel out. So what is y? Y is equal to 2 theta. Now put the value of theta from here. Theta is equal to how much, that is tan inverse 2 root x. So that is 2 times of tan inverse 2 under root x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, what we have, that is what, dy over dx is equal to 2 times of d over dx of this is tan inverse 2 under root x. You know differentiation of tan inverse x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square. In place of x it is what, 2 root x. So that is equal to 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 2 under root x to whole square. और 2 root x का क्या होगा, 2 is constant, root x का होगा 1 upon 2 root x. This 2 is cancel out. Now it is what, 2 upon, this is under root x into 1 plus of, this is 4x, and this is the value of dy over dx, that is the required result. अब देखिए यहाँ पर है tan इनवर्स 5x upon 1 minus 6x square. दूर दूर तक कोई भी फार्मूला नजर नहीं आ रहा which should be substituted. तो यहाँ पर we are just going to adopt Indian method. Indian method क्या होता है? Indian method जिसको हम लोग दूसरी लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं जुगाड़ मेथड, मेथड ऑफ सेटिंग. जुगाड़ से प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं. तो इसमें जुगाड़ क्या है? दिस इज व्हाट, y इज इक्वल टू, दैट इज tan इनवर्स 5x can be written as 6x minus x upon, this is what, we can say this is 5x can be written as what, that is 3x plus 2x upon 1 minus 3x into 2x. You know this is what, 10a plus b is equal to 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. तो 5x को हमने ब्रेक कर लिया, that is in terms of this 3x plus 2x, and this is 6x square in form of multiplication 3x into 2x. So you know this formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to how much? That is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This formula is known to you from inverse trigonometric function. अगर ये formula भूल गए तो you can put 3x is equal to how much? Tan alpha, and 2x is equal to tan beta. So we can say y is equal to tan inverse tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. उससे भी आप solve कर सकते हैं. If you remember this formula directly, you can apply it. Now this y is equal to, now from here y is equal to how much? Tan inverse 3x and plus this is tan inverse 2x. Tan inverse in place of x it is what? 3x, in place of y that is 2y. Apply करिए tan inverse 3x plus 2x upon 1 minus 3x into 2x. The same results you are getting, so you can express this one like this. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, so what you have? Dy over dx, that is d over dx of tan inverse 3x plus this is d over dx of, it is tan inverse 2x. You know differentiation of tan inverse x, that is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now here in place of x it is 3x, in place of x here it is 2x. So apply that formula. So that is 1 upon 1 plus 3x to whole square, and differentiation of 3x is 3, plus this is 1 upon 1 plus 2x to whole square, and differentiation of 2x, that is 2. So we can say this finally it is what? Dy over dx, that is 3 upon 1 plus 9x square, 2 upon 1 plus this is 4x square, and this is the required result. Now see, this is what? Y is equal to sine inverse 2 to the power x plus 1 upon 1 plus 4 to the power x. इसमें क्या substitute किया? What should be substituted in place of x, so that after solving it the result should come in terms of sine? Why? Because इसके बाहर में क्या है? That is sine inverse. So this you can write what? Y is equal to sine inverse, this is 2 into 2 to the power x upon 1 plus 2 to the power x to whole square. Now this is what? 2 to the power x, base same होता है तो multiply करने पर power add हो जाती है, and if power are added they can be separated also. So 2 to the power x plus 1, that is 2 to the power x into 2 upon 1 plus 4 to the power x, that is equal to 2 to the power x to whole square. ये कैसे आ गया? 4 to the power x, that is equal to, now this you can write what? That is 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x. Now this is equal to 2 to the power 2x, that is 2 to the power x whole to the power 2, that is what? 2 to the power x to whole square. इस टाइप से इसको लॉज ऑफ इंडिसेस से सॉल्व करते हैं. इन योर क्लास 9th स्टैंडर्ड यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड वन चैप्टर and that was laws of indices. So this 4 to the power x, that can be written as 1, this is 2 to the power x to whole square. And you know one formula of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to, in terms of tan, sine 2 theta is equal to twice tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So here putting 2 to the power x is equal to how much? Tan theta, and this implies that theta is equal to tan inverse 2 to the power x. So this will be converted, y is equal to sine inverse 2 times of this is tan theta upon 1 plus of this is tan square theta, and 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to sine 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to sine inverse, that is sine 2 theta, and this is what? Y is equal to, that is 2 theta. Sine inverse sine cancel out, so what will be left? That is 2 theta, and therefore value of theta की वैल्यू यहाँ से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. What is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse 2 to the power x. So what is y? Y is equal to 2 times of tan inverse 2 to the power x. Now differentiating it with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x क्या आएगा? That is what? dy over dx is equal to how much? 2 times of d over dx of, that is tan inverse 2 to the power x. You know differentiation of tan inverse x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is equal to 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 2 to the power x2 whole square. And what will be the differentiation of 2 to the power x? That will be equal to 2 to the power x into log 2 to the base e. And therefore 2 to the power x into 2, that is equal to 2 to the power x plus 1 into log of 2 to the base e upon 1 plus 4 to the power x. How it is 4 to the power x? 2 to the power x to whole square, that is equal to 4 to the power x. Therefore finally it is what? Dy over dx, that is 2 to the power x plus 1 into log 2 to the base e upon 1 plus 4 to the power x, and this is the required result. तो फार्मूलों का रोल है इसमें बेटा, फार्मूले अगर आपको याद हैं सो यू कैन सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स इजीली, एंड ये आपके माइंड में बहुत आसानी से क्लिक करेगा व्हाट शुड बी सब्स्टिट्यूटेड इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स. सो दिस इज व्हाट कन्वर्जन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फार्मूलों का यूज है. नाउ लेट अस टेक फ्यू मोर प्रॉब्लम्स. Few more problems. Now I'm taking this question number 16 or 17. Question number 17. Let y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus under root 1 minus x square upon under root 1 plus x square plus under root 1 minus x square. First we are supposed to simplify it, और इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते वक्त आपको ध्यान में क्या रखना है कि x के प्लेस पर क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट किया जाए कि दिस एंटायर एक्सप्रेशन आफ्टर सॉल्विंग वी शुड गेट द रिजल्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ 10 बिकॉज़ आउटसाइड इट इज 10 इनवर्स. तो यहाँ पर हमने आपको बताया था cos is the only trigonometrical ratio which can cancel 1. Now you see inside the square root of every terms it is what 1 plus x square, या 1 minus x square. So x square के प्लेस पर, अगर x के प्लेस पर आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे cos theta, so x will be equal to cos square theta and 1 plus cos square theta. There is no result, so 1 को कैंसिल नहीं किया जा सकता. उसके मतलब क्या हुआ? In place of x square we are going to substitute cos theta. So here putting x square is equal to cos theta, this implies that theta is equal to cos inverse x square. By mistake if you have substituted in place of x cos theta, so you won't be in position to simplify it. So in place of, because you are supposed to cancel it, what? That is 1. So 1 plus it should be cos. So in play 1 plus x square is here, that's why in place of x square I am substituting, that is cos theta. So what will be the result now? Now this one is what? Y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus of cos theta minus under root 1 minus of cos theta upon under root 1 plus of cos theta plus under root 1 minus of cos theta. Now our aim should be to cancel 1. Our aim should be to cancel 1. So what is this one? Y is equal to how much? Tan inverse. This is under root 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. यहाँ पर 1, this is what? Plus, this is minus under root, this is what? 1 minus 2 times of sin square theta by 2 upon this is under root 1 plus this is 2 times of cos square theta by 2 minus 1 and plus under root 1 minus 2 times of sin square theta by 2. Now because there are many different forms for this cos theta, so only that forms we are going to apply which is useful to cancel 1. Now this is what? Minus 1 is cancel out with plus 1. यहाँ bracket open करेंगे, that will also cancel 1. यहाँ this cancel with this 1. So y is equal to how much? That is tan inverse under root 2 times of cos theta by 2. Open this bracket. Minus under root 1 minus 1 plus 2 times of sine square theta by 2 upon this is under root 2 times of cos theta by 2, and this is plus under root 1 minus 1 plus 2 times of sine square theta by 2. Now this minus 1 is cancelled out by plus 1. So what you have, y is equal to tan inverse under root 2 times of cos theta by 2, and this is minus under root 2 times of sine theta by 2 upon this is under root 2 times of cos theta by 2 plus under root 2 times of sine theta by 2. Now in numerator under root 2 is common, in denominator under root 2 is common, so they will cancel each other. So what you will get, y is equal to how much? That is tan inverse, this is cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2 upon this is cos theta by 2 plus this is sine theta by 2. Now this is dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, because sine theta upon cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. So here it is cos theta by 2 and sine theta by 2. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. So what we have, y is equal to how much? Tan inverse, this is cos theta से by 2 से divide करेंगे 1 आएगा, and this is minus of tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus of this is tan theta by 2. When you are dividing this numerator by cos theta by 2 and cos theta by 2 is divided by cos theta by 2, it is 1. When sin theta by 2 is divided by cos theta by 2, you know sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, that is equal to tan theta by 2. Similarly here also 1 plus tan theta by 2. ये किसका फार्मूला? ये एक और फार्मूला आपको दिख रहा है, that you have done in class 11. You know this is what tan pi by 4 minus theta, that is 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus of tan theta. इसको tan a minus b से expand कर दो. So tan a minus b क्या होता है? That is equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b, and tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta. Tan pi by 4 की वैल्यू 1 होती है. So tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Now here in place of theta, that is theta by 2, तो ये results convert हो के आएगा. Y is equal to how much? That is tan inverse, that is what? Tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2, not theta. Why it is theta by 2? Because here it is theta by 2. Tan inverse tan cancel out. Y is equal to pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Now put the value of theta by 2. Y is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. What is the value of theta? Theta is equal to how much? That is cos inverse x square. So this theta will be replaced by cos inverse x square. This is cos inverse x square. Now this expression, that this result is going to be converted in this form. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, that is what? Dy over dx is equal to d over dx of this is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 d over dx of cos inverse x square. Pi by 4 is constant, and you know differentiation of constant, that is what? It is 0. Differentiation of constant, that is 0. So pi by 4 का differentiation क्या हो जाएगा? 0 minus 1 by 2. Differentiation of cos inverse x, that is equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. In place of x, it is what? X square. So minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square to whole square, and what is the differentiation of x square? That is 2x. This 2 is cancelled out by 2, so that is equal to minus into minus, that is going to be plus under root 1 minus x to the power 4, that is the value of dy over dx. So dy by dx is equal to how much? That is x upon under root 1 minus x is power 4. So this is the required results. I am taking some another problem also. चलिए कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स लेते हैं. लेट अस टेक सम मोर प्रॉब्लम्स. दैट इज दिस इज व्हाट डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर this was I think it's 17 or 18. This was question number 18. let y is equal to sine square cot inverse under root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. यहाँ पर x के प्लेस पर which trigonometrical ratio is going to be substituted in place of x, so that after solving this expression result should come in terms of cot inverse. And यहाँ पर क्या है 1 plus x upon 1 minus x form is this one, so इसमें cos is the only trigonometrical ratio which can cancel one. So what we are going to substitute here, x is equal to cos theta. Now putting here, this is putting here x is equal to cos theta. This implies that theta is equal to cos inverse x. Now from here, so what is y? Y is equal to, that is what, sine square. It is what, cot inverse under root 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus of cos theta. Now इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो बेटा, that is what y is equal to how much, sine square. This is what, cot inverse under root 1 minus 1 plus 2 times of sine square theta by 2, 1 plus this is 2 times of cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 is cancelled out by plus 1. यहाँ पर हमारा एम क्या होता है, to cancel 1. Now this is y is equal to sine square. This is what, cot inverse, and this 2 is cancelled out by 2, and sine square theta by 2 upon cos square theta by 2, that is tan square theta by 2. So it is under root, that is what, tan square theta by 2. This is tan square, so 2 हो जाएगा tan theta by 2. Y is equal to sine square. This is cot inverse tan theta by 2. Now you convert tan in terms of cot by using allied angle formula. So y is equal to how much, sine square. This is cot inverse, and this you can write cot pi by 2 minus of theta by 2. You know cos 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to tan theta. So cot inverse cot cancel out. So y is equal to, that is sine square. This is pi by 2 minus theta by 2, and you know sine pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. So we can say y is equal to, this is cos square theta by 2. Now here you have the value of cos theta is equal to x. So theta को कैसे simplify करेंगे? Now y is equal to cos square theta by 2. You know this is 1 plus cos theta by 2. You know this formula. This is also formula. Sin square theta is equal to, 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, and cos square theta 2 theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, थीटा के प्लेस पर थीटा बाई 2 है, तो फार्मूला अप्लाई कर दिया. ये फार्मूला है, फार्मूला हम आपको लिखे देते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट, sin स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस cos 2 थीटा बाई 2, या दिस इज व्हाट, cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस cos 2 थीटा बाई 2. यही फार्मूला हमने अप्लाई कर दिया है. यहाँ पर थीटा बाई 2 है, तो 2 into थीटा बाई 2 कितना हो जाएगा, थीटा. सो दैट इज 1 plus cos थीटा बाई 2. नाउ यू हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू x. सो व्हाट इज y? y इज इक्वल टू 1 plus x by 2. y इज इक्वल टू, दिस इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दीजिए, डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. व्हाट वी हैव, dy over dx is equal to, that is 1 by 2 into d over dx of 1 plus x. This is 1 by 2, differentiation of 1 is 0, x का 1 हो जाएगा. So result is 1 by 2, that is dy over dx, and this will be the required result. चलिए एक और वैरायटी है बेटा, वो भी हम आपको कंसीडर करते हैं और फिर आपको बताते हैं. So now this question number 19. Yeah, question number 18 and 9. This was 18, 19 and 20. Question number 19 and 20, and now just try to understand it. ये अलग वैरायटी है, इसमें भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होना है. So that is what. Now I am taking this question number 19. Question number 19. That is what, let y is equal to, this is cos inverse cos inverse 3 times of cos x minus 4 times of sin x divided by 5. And now question number 20. This question number 20 is what? That is y is equal to sin inverse. This is sin inverse 6x minus 4 times of under root 1 minus 4x square upon this is 5. चलिए ये दो प्रॉब्लम आपको और एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, दोनों एक ही जैसे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर देखिए दिस इज y इज इक्वल टू cos इनवर्स 3 cos x अपॉन 5 माइनस 4 sin x अपॉन 5. Now see here, this is y is equal to cos inverse, this is 3 by 5 times of cos x minus 4 by 5 times of sin x. Now this is the form, is what ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? That is a cos theta plus b times of sin theta plus minus. इसको कन्वर्ट करना है आइदर इन sin a plus b or sin a minus b or cos a plus b or cos a minus b. So cos inverse, that is 3 upon 5 times of cos x minus 4 upon 5 times of sin x. You know one result, that is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. I think this result is known to everyone. Whatever is the value of theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. माने अगर दो नंबर्स हैं उनके स्क्वायर का सम 1 है, तो एक अगर वैल्यू cos की है तो दूसरी किसकी हो जाएगी? sin की. यहाँ पर देखिए cos x का कोफिशिएंट कितना है? that is 3 by 5, इसका होल स्क्वायर हो गया. sin x का कोफिशिएंट -4/5 कर लो या 4/5 कर लो, दिस इज व्हाट 4/5 टू होल स्क्वायर. इसको सिंपलीफाई करो, 9 upon 25 plus 16 upon 25, 9 plus 16 upon 25, 25 upon 25, that is equal to 1. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 3 upon 5 to whole square plus 4 upon 5 to whole square, that is equal to 1. इन दोनों रिजल्ट्स को कंपेयर करो, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, 3/5 to whole square plus 4/5 to whole square is equal to 1. ये फार्मूला वैलिड है for all values of theta, whatever is the value of theta. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. इसका मतलब कि यहाँ पर 3/5 to whole square plus 4/5 to whole square, that is equal to 1. तो जिस एंगल के लिए ये sin होगा उस एंगल के लिए ये cos आएगा, या जिस एंगल के लिए ये cos आएगा उस एंगल के लिए ये sin आएगा. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? that is 3/5. यहाँ पर इसको cos इनवर्स है, cos में कन्वर्ट करना है, and you know cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, and cos a minus b is equal to cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? अगर जिस एंगल के लिए इसको हम cos कंसीडर करेंगे उसी एंगल के लिए ये sin आएगा. तो यहाँ पर होगा, आप चाहो तो ऐसे भी समझ लो, let cos alpha is equal to 3/5. एक ट्रायंगल बना लीजिए यहाँ पर, this angle is equal to theta, and you know cos theta या cos alpha, cot theta, that is equal to alpha. This angle is what? Alpha. Cos alpha is equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is what? 3 upon 5, and by Pythagoras it is what? That is equal to 4. So you find sin alpha is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. तो ये ध्यान में रखिएगा, if there are two numbers, उनके स्क्वायर का सम 1 है, तो if one number is representing cos, then second one will represent sin for the same angle. So here this is what? y is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? that is cos inverse 3/5, that can be written as what? that is cos alpha, it is cos x minus 4/5, that is sin alpha into it is sin x. अब यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? y is equal to how much? cos inverse, this is formula of cos a plus b, so this is alpha plus of x हो गया, and now y is equal to alpha plus x. अल्फा की वैल्यू चाहे यहाँ से रख दो चाहे यहाँ से रख दो, तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा? अल्फा is equal to how much? cos inverse 3/5. So what is y? that is what? cos inverse 3 upon 5, ये अलग हो गया, and this is x. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x क्या आएगा? that is what? dy over dx, that is d over dx of cos inverse 3/5 plus d over dx of x. Cos inverse 3/5, that is constant, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा, दैट इज 0, x का 1, सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ dy over dx, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1, इट इज रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट। सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, बस इसमें थोड़ा सा जंबल कर दिया गया है, दिस इज उसको आपको एडजस्ट करना है। सो दिस इज व्हाट y इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच sin इनवर्स, sin इनवर्स, this is what we can say 3 by 5 into 2x minus this is what 4 by 5 into under root 1 minus 2x to whole square। यहाँ पर जो ये वहां पर जो x हुआ करता था, यहाँ पर क्या हो गया है, that is equal to 2x। तो यहाँ पर भी क्या हो जाएगा, 3 by 5 to whole square plus 4 by 5 to whole square, that is 1। 3 by 5 to whole square plus 4 by 5 to whole square, that is equal to 1। so जिस एंगल के लिए ये साइन होगा उस एंगल के लिए ये cos आएगा, जिस एंगल के लिए cos होगा उस एंगल के लिए ये साइन आएगा। so now we are putting, now let this is sin 3 by 5, sin 3 by 5 is equal to, that is what, alpha, and 2x is equal to, now this 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to sin alpha and 2x is equal to how much, that is cos beta। इसको हमने cos क्यों लिया, यहाँ sin इनवर्स है, इसको sin में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा। you know sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, so that is what sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5, so what will be the cos alpha, this is equal to 4 by 5, that is equal to cos alpha, put these values here, y is equal to, that is sin inverse, this is what, sin alpha into cos beta minus, this is equal to 4 by 5, 4 by 5 means what, that is cos alpha into, that is under root 1 minus, this is cos beta के प्लेस पर क्या लिखेंगे, this is what, 2x is equal to, that is cos beta, so 1 minus cos square beta। इसको सिंप्लीफाई करिए, y is equal to, that is sin inverse sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha, 1 minus cos square beta, that is equal to sin square beta, square root of sin square beta, that is sin beta, so it is equal to how much, sin beta। formula of sin alpha minus beta, y is equal to sin inverse sin of alpha minus beta, and this sin inverse sin is going to be cancel out, y is equal to कितना हो जाएगा, that is alpha minus beta। यहाँ से अल्फा की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, अल्फा is equal to sin inverse 3 by 5, यहाँ से बीटा की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, बीटा is equal to cos inverse twice x, put these values here, so y is equal to how much, that is sin inverse 3 by 5, and this is minus beta means what, that is cos inverse 2x। now differentiating with respect to x, इसको आपको हम differentiate करके दिखाते हैं, so that is now finally you have got, that is y is equal to how much, sin inverse 3 by 5 minus this is cos inverse, this is 2x। इसको differentiate करते हैं, now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, that is what, dy over dx, that is d over dx of sin inverse 3 by 5 minus d over dx of cos inverse, this is 2x। this sin inverse 3 by 5, that is constant, you know differentiation of constant is 0, 0 minus this is what, minus 1 upon under root 1 minus 2x to whole square and 2x का 2, minus minus is going to be plus 2 upon under root 1 minus 4x square, and this is the required result। एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, y is equal to sin inverse से 6x minus 4 under root 1 minus 4x square upon 5, इसको हमने एडजस्ट किया, that is what, 3 by 5 into 2x minus 4 by 5 under root 1 minus 2x to whole square, 3 by 5 to whole square plus 4 by 5 to whole square, its value is equal to how much, 1, if you simplify it, that means what, the angle for which this 3 by 5 is representing sine, this for the same angle, this 4 by 5 that will represent cos. So let sine alpha is equal to 3 by 5 and cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5. And now 2x is equal to cos beta, alpha is equal to how much? This is from here, alpha is equal to how much? That is sine inverse 3 by 5, 2x is equal to cos beta, beta is equal to cos inverse 2x. Putting these values here, so y is equal to sine inverse sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha under root 1 minus cos square beta. You know cos 1 minus cos square beta is sine beta, so sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta, it is formula of sine alpha minus beta. So sine inverse sine alpha minus cancel out, y is equal to sine inverse alpha minus beta. In place of alpha, what I have substituted? That is sine inverse 3 upon 5. ये 3 upon 5 है. And now in place of beta, what I have substituted? That is cos inverse 2x. Now differentiating with respect to x, dy over dx is equal to d over dx of sine inverse 3 by 5 minus d over dx of cos inverse 2x, and sine inverse 3 by 5 that is constant, इसका differentiation 0 होगा, minus this is minus 1 upon cos inverse x का क्या होता है? minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So in place of x it is 2x minus 1 upon under root 1 minus 2x to whole square, and differentiation of 2x is 2. So finally it is 2 upon अंडर रूट 1 माइनस 4x स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज द फाइनल रिजल्ट. सो बेटा ये वीडियो यहीं पर स्टॉप कर रहे हैं, और आई थिंक आपको इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस कंप्लीटली समझ में आ गया होगा. Just go through this video 1 times, 2 times and try to understand, and after that you just take A4 sheets, write all the formulae, keep it with you and try to solve the problems. Transformations के जो हमने forms बताए हैं उसको आपको याद रखना. You are supposed to remember the forms and substitution which I have told you here. A square plus x square होगा, then what you are going to substitute? X is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. A square minus x square, x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. This you try to remember it, so that you can easily transform it from one form to another form, and after that you differentiate it. In most of the problems you will have to convert it into simplest form, and you just revise all the formulae of trigonometry which you have done in class 11th and one chapter of class 12, that is inverse trigonometric function, and problem solve करना आपके लिए आसान हो जाएगा. ओके बेटा, नाउ सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.